Hey Annie, it's Eliza and Lila here.
And
Hey.
Dan hiding behind the camera.
Say hey. Say hey.
Say hi, Annie. Haven't seen you in a long time.
Hold on, we're not done yet. For your birthday, we wanted to sing you a very special song, and it comes from Lila's favorite movie. You ready, Lila? Okay, here we go.
Wait. Before you start, I'm going to sit down this way and get a steady camera and Annie doesn't get sick.
Ready?
Ready.
Are you ready? Okay. The sun will come out tomorrow.
That's a hang on to tomorrow. There are sunshine, days and grays and lonely.
I just got my chin and grin
and say,
tomorrow
I
love ya.
Tomorrow I'm only a day away.
Just thinking about.
No.
Oh, that's it. Now can we say happy birthday? We're gonna sing it. Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Whoa.
Are you serious?
Sorry. I forgot the
Do we
song.
have to re-record it?
No, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Annie. Happy birthday to